Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Monday, November 19th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. So really flip of the trade we saw from last week. A lot of that optimism that got put into the market last week with the sentiment that U.S. and China really could make some progress here before the G20 summit. That was all taken away. You came out over the weekend and Vice President Pence kind of stated that, things aren't as fantastic as he thought with China. He was over touring Asia, and it just looked like it was very cold between all the countries. And then you came in here and also had the counterpart to China. They were going to come over to Washington to talk before the G20 summit. It sounds like that is actually canceled now, that they will continue to talk at the G20 summit, but not before. And that really took a lot of optimism out of the market, specifically into soybeans and the U.S. stock market. So soybeans down 18.5 today. Corn tried to hold its own, but once we kind of broke lower, corn couldn't really keep up with it, closing down about 2.5 cents. Then wheat markets, both Chicago and Kansas City, down over 8 cents, where Minneapolis was about steady. Meat markets were very quiet all day long. Just before the close, found a little bit of light support for cattle markets. Lean hogs, though, were up about $1 on the day. And outside markets, like I said, that was another market that got really hit hard. Was the Dow down 500 points at one point, coming back to down 300 points. There's a lot of volatility in that market, and this kind of just sums up what we're going to see moving forward between now and the G20 summit. There's a lot riding on this. We are very far behind on export sales. We need to get some progress going, or you're going to see a lot of negativity into these markets and continue. So any news you get out of any relationship between the U.S. and China will really shake these markets up in one direction or another moving forward until the end of the month. Also, what to look at is just export sales will be a big deal as we're falling behind pace. Inspections came in good for wheat and soybeans, but not as great as expected for corn, which is worrisome since Ukraine has such a good crop. It's been starting to take some exports away from the U.S. We'll be watching that one as well. And like I said, we do have a shorter week this week with holiday trade, and that can shake things up as well. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.